The camera, it's called Xbox Go.
Oh, it's part of the camera.
It's part of the camera app, yes. So, but I do it live on YouTube, and then I'll upload the real video on YouTube later. So it's like better quality, and then like coaches can watch it. Whatever. Same thing people do it live on, except I really got it for lacrosse because in lacrosse and baseball, there's no outdoor camera. Like there's no live one, you know. Yeah, and my parents like to watch and stuff, so.
Yeah, baseball's tough. Like we usually hang on the backstop.
Exactly. It's no. I can send this to the thing now. Oh no, this is our house phone, so I don't have the Team Snap. I was gonna go on Team Snap and say whatever it was, but that's that camera. That's that phone.
Did you just get this, or have you been using it for?
I just got it. I did one. I've done one lacrosse game like 2 days ago. That was my first time.
People!
But basically, I want to just perfect it. There's different settings that I'm messing with to see. Here we go. But like, not everybody has LiveMon or BlackBerry TV, and there's a lot of grandparents or parents out there that can't come and
yeah, my parents like.
They'll be able to watch it now. If all they gotta do is go into YouTube.
That's awesome. On Johnny's team last year, didn't you get some of something similar?
Except he did it by hand, and like, which is fine, but people get called watching it once in a while, and it'd be way off. All of a sudden, people would be celebrating, and you'd be like, "What?"
It's so much better. Yeah, who wants to stand there all the time?
I wouldn't do it. That's why I'm only doing this because I can't go to my daughter's lacrosse stuff, so. I want to be able to watch it.
What team is she playing on? Is that
It's a team called M&D Shore.
Okay, travel program.
Yeah. I can go. It's just I can't always.
Does she play in school too?
Yeah.
Middle school?
Yeah, both. They all three play in middle school too.
And my daughter just started playing in middle school too.
Yeah.
That's funny. She's playing defense. So the whole game, she's just like. So far, their team's done really well. So like, they're too good. It's always on the other side. She's just standing there. I'm like, I thought this was gonna be like a good workout.
Yeah. She just play midfield.
Like at least like move around or something.
Ask her to be on midfield, then she will run back and
forth. I think they have like 2 or 3 girls that play travel that are really good. Yeah. The rest are all just kind of new players.
That's like my daughter. My daughter's actually, and she's probably the best chance to play a sport. Nice. Just because she's a girl playing lacrosse in Maryland. I mean, Maryland's the cross capital of the world. But she's a female.
Does she play soccer too?
Just lacrosse for her. She's tall. I mean, she's almost. She's like Jackson's height as a girl. Maybe an inch shorter.
Yeah, usually in a video, like this scoreboard is good, but usually a hockey scoreboard is suck. You barely read it.
Especially on LiveMon, you can't read it.
Yeah, that's probably why. Yeah, the best girl on Karina's team, she plays AAA on Little Flyers. Oh, yeah. Hockey player.
Yeah. On the boys team?
She plays in the girls team.
Oh, okay.
She was actually, she missed their own cross game last year. She was they were national last week. Her cousin plays on Johnny's UD 3v3 team. Her cousin's really good too. Yeah. Like aggressive.
We tried to get into that, but the guy, Chris Kapinski, he has a team and he had one less than everybody else. So I tried to email the guy to get onto it. But he was too stacked. He wouldn't let us get on it. So the guy, he was like, I have a waiting list and I can't let somebody on it ahead of the waiting list. Right. Like, come on, man. It's our first year time.
Ate a game on last Tuesday.
Get it!
They had like 5 shifts, 5 lines. But Johnny's still saying he got more tired than a regular game.
No doubt. She should spread out on that.
They play like offense and defense.
Yeah. it's like roller hockey. I'm not sure if you've ever,
Yeah.
but like inline hockey is 4-on-4, but there's no offsides, and it's kind of just like you said, you kind of just play
Going up and down.
everywhere.
You know, like you still kind of have position, like defense,
but
offense.
it's more spread out, and you get people cheating up at the top, and it's just like.
Yeah, that was the one team we got. I think we had like a 1-goal game. We played it pretty good.
And this big boy was on the team, if I remember.
Yeah, that's starts with an M.
Yeah. Don't let him shoot it.
Connor McGovern used to play with us. I heard he left and went to campus a while ago.
Oh, okay.
I was surprised.
Maybe the ref lost a couple people.
Yeah.
Definitely went with him.
They were playing them and the Rockets. They were number 1, number 2 last year in the league.
Come on, Landon, move that. Come on, bud.
Rockets are probably pretty good.
I don't know if the Rockets have two teams. Like Rockets black, Rockets red.
Yeah, they got a decent amount of teams.
Alright, there you go.
Pass.
Oh!
Nice look.
Let's go. Stick with it.
That's travel across. Do much traveling? Or most of the good teams kind of in that central?
Nice kind of like hockey, like there's not many on the Eastern Shore, so we travel to like their home field is Kern Island, which is at the Bay Bridge, and, which is only like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But then like tomorrow it's in like Belleville, so it's like that's like north of Baltimore. So it's like
always
no,
crossing the Chesapeake.
yeah, it's no farther than we travel for hockey, but it's just a worse direction. You know, I'd rather go north every single day of the week versus across the Bay Bridge.
Even if you say you still work,
I still work over there.
right? So
Yeah.
you're there all the time.
But my travel times are always
Yes.
Nice save, boy.
Save.
we play like literally right after the game.
I think there was like a 20-minute break or something.
A little bit longer.
But this started late, so I don't know.
Hey, well, I'm up here a little bit earlier.
Yeah, this is supposed to end at 8:40 and we started at 9. So they have a little bit break. I just wanted Johnny to eat something because he said he felt too sick this morning.
Yeah, he's been up.
He's waking up early. So.
Actually, that's a good point. I'll run to the car. I got some oranges and some fruit
Alright,
stuff.
go get it.
Granola bar or something.
Debbie made him bring a bag into the locker room.
Yeah, that's smart.
Alright, Dan. Hands on stick.
They left it themselves. They weren't. You usually got to make them.
Good save.
How's your schedule with the little fires, like over the spring and summer?
Nothing really right. There's no clarity or nothing, but they do start practicing in July.
Okay.
So they'll actually like go. They do like a double Wednesday practice starting in July. That's how the schedule's going to be all year. I guess it's double practice on Wednesday and then something on Thursday. So at least it's only 2 days a week.
That's a week, yeah.
So it's like a hour and 10-minute practice and then like a half-hour break. So
This is getting a little it's a lot of skating.
it is.
Would that be like the skills or just
Actually, you know what? Well, Thursday's the skills. Thursday is the skills. Goes at the station and skill sections and stuff. Which should be fine because Cannon said that their practice schedule should be the same.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Right. So it'll just be Wednesday that overlaps.
Yeah. Would you rather it overlap? So you're already like up north?
Yeah.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Even though it'll be a little bit to figure out, except to like divert or whatever. But no, 3 days a week. 3 days a week ain't bad. That's what we did last year, so
Yeah.
I'm used to it. I like it. I'd rather not do anything else now. Or I mean, I enjoy it. So.
At least you got Patrick up there with you, right? Same team.
Patrick up there. But their team all plays on, I think pretty much the whole team plays on their spring team. So they'll be together in the spring for 14 and 4. So
14 and 4 spring. Right.
yeah, so they'll all start doing that. We actually, after this, we're going there. Jackson plays at practice at 12.
You doing the spring team?
Yeah, but it's just like that. So it's not as much. It's just
Nice,
definitely
Jack.
not as much. And then Johnny's is at 3. He's got 2 to do, from like 3 to 4, and then from like 5 to 6.
That's your off season.
I mean, they both much rather do this.
All right, good effort.
Yeah, little Flyers. Is it like how much turnover do they have here? But you could
This year was 4. They had 2 that didn't come back, and then they had 2 that they cut. Like 2 that were already on the team that they didn't take it again.
probably about
Yeah. But I think there's always turnover and stuff. I mean, especially it's not unlike here, when you're surrounded by teams. I think
people coming from all different areas, maybe make a closer team.
yeah, people or who knows what the league would be, but like as far as tier 1 goes, I mean, you got the low Flyers, the C, senior Flyers, all within 30 minutes of each other.
Yeah, really. Like losing 4 kids.
Yeah.
Not that much.
In general, like the 2013 team that was they had a lot. Yeah, they weren't.
It's good for the Richmond. It's going to revolution.
Absolutely. Because we were going to go to Team 1. That would have been an hour and a half without traffic. There's always traffic in DC, so thank God that we got a phone call. Like, didn't have to do that. So,
Aston's like right off 95.
oh, it's easy. So funny.
Telling his dad, like, it's throwing me off. Like, it does. It's like,
It actually stays station.
I know.
So is that his mom's brother or is
Keep it
that
up. Keep it there.
He's married to Sean's mom's
Go, Jackson.
sister.
okay? So you're saying the skating ability is in the mother side.
Go.
He does like skating. It's funny. It's messing me up seeing him and then someone else wearing a Thomas. And not Thomas.
Yeah. I put duct tape on John because it's just Lawrence is wearing Johnny's jerseys, but I put duct tape over the names. So it wasn't,
Oh yeah.
so it wasn't like
Like white duck. You didn't know how good of a player. You didn't want to tarnish your name just in case.
next thing you know, there's something on the AHF website.
Yeah, right?
This dude thinks he's double triple. The AHF forum. Kid gets a haircut and forgets how to skip me off season. Alright, I'm in. So their last name's not actually.
Nah, it's
I was going to keep the jersey.
Nice save!
I gotta talk to Carly. At the parent meeting this week, she said it was like 50-50. They weren't sure yet.
The jerseys look good. I think you have really good looking jerseys.
I like them. Especially
But even the white one. White jerseys are normally lame. I think
the new ones. Did you see the new ones they circulated?
I think so. And the last
The logo looks cool. But it doesn't say Delaware Nuts.
I like how it says it.
We just bought Johnny's. We just upsized it. Let's go to say something about it. Yeah. She's the one making a decision.
I mean, you get compliments on the jersey all the time.
Whenever I wear this, no matter where we are, like in the area, like someone comes up to me like, my kid, my son played there. His whole career.
Good job.
Delaware Ducks.
What's the name? What is the name of the hotel we're gonna stay in?
Yeah. He was at the parent meeting.
To another bear, yeah.
So we get like
I got this one I paid.
Steve.
we're still
You look like a now it's like
Honestly,
I remember you used to travel. He's actually other keys. I can't get it out of my mind. You traveled a lot.
you weren't even born.
I like to
Get all the year's present, 2 keys.
over here.
You mind if I call you? I thought that's what I read.
So you used to like travel with
One day I go out of town and the other day I come home.
She swings in LA.
Hello. Hey, man. Hey.
Go, Dots. Keep it up.
Better chase him down right now. Start. Neutral zone.
Neutral zone infraction. Drive red zone. Repeat play.
Now, James.
How does that
Go, Docs. Keep it up. Let's go. Boys.
Come on, boys, you got it! He's just missing on it. Oh, still peeling. Oh, get there, Liam! Got it, bud! Oh, almost. Come on, you
Seconds straight. Game, don't. Yeah, boys. Game.
She's known everywhere.